Hey folks, welcome back to Horsepen Ranch and Horsepen Ranch YouTube channel. Today we're making Cowboy Coffee on the fire, but we're using Cowpuncher blend Horsepen Ranch coffee. All right folks, what you need to do is you need a coffee pot. All right, you can get these coffee pots about anywhere. These big old ones like this are hard to find. You got to get them at antique stores, but you can still find the new ones at your department stores, your sporting goods stores, okay? So we're gonna put water in this. We're gonna boil the water. We're gonna put this water about 1 inch below the spout. We're gonna boil the water. See our steam coming out of there? We're gonna take it off the fire, put it back here on this warming tray. Put 2 cups of Cowpuncher blend ground coffee directly in this water, folks. So there is 1 cup, right? And 2 cups, see there? Put this back on the fire. If you're in your house, you can just put it back on the burner. This works on a gas stove, on an electric stove. You don't have to have a campfire or a stove outside. Okay, we've been boiling for about 4.5, 5 minutes. We're gonna take it off of the fire. I'm gonna let it rest here for about a couple minutes with the lid on it. We're gonna go get us a cup of water, okay? Cup of water. I don't have to pour it into this cup. I could have just poured it directly out of the water bottle, but it's, hey, we'll do this. We're gonna let this rest for a couple minutes, and then the magic's gonna happen. Let's do a little quick review though, real fast, quick review, okay? So we poured water in our pot, about 1 inch below the spout. We put it on the burner, we let it boil, we added the coffee directly in to the grounds, we introduced it back to heat, put it back on our heat source. From that moment, we watched it because it rose a little bit. Now, it didn't rise over the top, but it can. So please watch it. It takes about 25, 30 seconds to do that. Then you're good to go. Put it back on the burner and let it boil about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're gonna smash these grounds down to the bottom by putting a cup of water. Just regular temperature water right on top of the coffee. Hit down the spout, and then right there. What that does is that cold water, compared to our hot boiling water, it will just push the grounds down to the bottom. So all of our grounds at the very bottom of this pot, okay? And I'll pour some coffee and show you how awesome this even is. So we're gonna take some coffee here, and we're gonna pour it slowly. Look at that. Beautiful coffee, folks. And I hate to mess this up and pour coffee out. I'm just going to show you how there's no grounds in this at all. Okay, no grounds. Isn't that great? Look at there. Look at the bottom of that cup. No grounds in the bottom of that cup. What you do when you make coffee this way, I'm going to pour me a cup now and not waste anymore. When you make coffee this way, what you do is you get the full flavor of the coffee bean. You boil all of the acid out of it, all the bitterness out of it, and you get good tasting coffee. All right, that's what you get. So it's hot, folks, it's hot, but it's good. And so there you go, Cowboy Coffee. Hey, Revamp Ranch in Poto on Dewey downtown is carrying Cowpuncher coffee right now. So you go get you some of this stuff. It's good stuff. And you can make it home however you want to make it, but I encourage you to make it the Cowboy way. Thanks for watching Horsepen Ranch.